How to manage your business invoices on PayPal Business. Managing PayPal Business invoices by navigating to invoicing under Pay and Get Paid. So what you want to do is, first of all, you can go ahead and create and customize as well. And what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to go ahead and log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your PayPal, then you want to go to the invoicing section. Make sure that you are logged into your business account. And when you go to this invoicing from a tool menu, you then need to tap open the create invoice, fill in the customer detail, items and tax information as well. Moving on, you want to go ahead and add a logo, that this is optional as well, and notes and the terms as well. After which you could send or share a link, and you could use a dashboard to monitor, edit or send reminder as well. And that's how you're going to manage your business invoice on PayPal. And with that, we have completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.